So we're here at the Ucheldre Centre in Holyhead. We've walked about halfway around Anglesey now, and the feet are holding up pretty well. The bags are getting a little bit heavy, but we're very excited for this evening's concert.
Yeah, so tonight's going to be the first one of many of our musical collaborations. So tonight we'll be doing a set as Filkin's Drift, and we're doing a double bill with Eve Goodman. So we're very excited to hear her.
And we've managed to catch 5 minutes before we go on stage to ask Eve a few questions about her music and her life.
And how important is a sense of place in your music?
I'd say it's really important. I feel like nature is my number one muse, and I'm really lucky to live by the Menai Strait, which is this incredible body of water that separates mainland Cymru from Ynys Môn, Anglesey, where we are now, which you will walk along at some point in your journey. And so yeah, I feel really lucky to live right next to that. That is my outside view, and I grew up next to the Menai as well, so it's been a huge kind of part of informing my creativity, just being by that ever-changing, kind of mysterious body of water.
And obviously place is so important to you. How you write in Welsh and in English, and I wonder, do some songs just come out in one of those two languages, or is it a conscious choice?
Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, my Welsh is my second language, so I think the songs that I write in Welsh tend to be a bit more lyrical and poetic than my English ones. My English ones are often a bit more emotional and kind of about maybe sort of psychological states. So I think the Welsh songs capture place a bit more, and obviously I'm really lucky to be singing in this incredible indigenous language that is, you know, alive and thriving, and there's something ancient about that comes through even if you don't speak Welsh. It's like, I think it's a felt sense when you hear it spoken and sang.
Oh, wow.
It's magical.
Yeah. And so we're going to be capturing the first song of your set tonight. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. First song is called Angor, which is the Welsh word for anchor, and I wrote it sort of inspired by the Menai Strait, which I mentioned earlier, and it's about a female sailor heading off into the unknown waters. So I guess it's about stepping out of your comfort zone and finding some kind of anchor within that as well. So yeah.